I will be briefing you on the developments of what transpired today at the third ESCO, which was presided over by His Excellency, the Chairman of Council, Sir Siminalayi Fubara. We have awarded contracts to the tune of 225 billion 114 million 563 830.02 for the commencement of the construction of the Trans Kalabari road. This is the main Trans Kalabari road. The one that had happened in the past was building of bridges. But here, we're doing a Trans Kalabari road that is going to run from Rumolumeni. That's the Rumolumeni, the NNS Pathfinder, a little after Mgbuodoha, that extends about 2 kilometers to the Aker base road. That road will pass through the swamp behind the Ignatius Ajuru University of Education, moving southwards towards the first bridge crossing. The road continues through a series of bridges to decompile. And that road will run from that room of Lumeni up to the Tombia to go through room of Lumeni to Oguruama, Bakana, Bukuma, where you call the Agum, and then to Tombia. That project will be completed in 32 months. And we're paying from our internally generated. We're not going to be borrowing money for that project. That's about the third phase of us generating funds internally for our road projects without going to anywhere to borrow any money. So this 225 billion in our estimation is even longer or bigger than what we spent on building the ring road. But this one is critical because quite a lot of bridges and decompile. Building on the water is not as easy as building on the ground. And the contract has been awarded and it's expected that the contractors will mobilize to site. The Acting Director General, Bureau of Public Procurement will be able to give a certificate of no objection. But before she comes on, let me also say that in the area of sports, Rivers State has made great exploits. We won the Under-17 Youth League, the MPFL. Rivers State came first. That's actually the maiden edition of the Under-17 Nigerian Premier Football League junior team. And then we also came first, male and female, in National Beach Volleyball. Male and female, Rivers State came first, male first. The other one, the female, came second. We also came tops on the National Open Chess competition. We have our daughter, Queen Danjumbo. She came first and best women player. On the National Open Table Tennis Championship, Rivers State came first. We had 3 gold medals and best overall team. And then Rivers Hoopers Basketball Club have also qualified for the final phase of the NBA competition in Kigali. It's actually an exploit we've made on the continent. We came tops, and the team will be here from the 24th to 1st of June for us to face Rwanda. These are the exploits that we have made, and to say also that we had other engagements for some reasons. We'll be announcing the developments that we have made in trying to look at other areas of deepening our our activities in the state. I'll invite Dr. Briggs to do the work of the Bureau of Public Procurement.
For the award of the contracts for the construction of Trans Kalabari roads and bridges in River State, the Bureau is glad that it superintended over the proceedings of the procurement activities leading to the award of this contract. Having reviewed the submissions of the Ministry of Works, having examined all the supporting documents presented by the Ministry, having fulfilled all the necessary procurement procedures, guidelines, as required by the River State Public Procurement Law 2008 as amended, having satisfied that the value for money propositions of fitness for purpose, value for money has been adhered to, having been convinced that this project will stimulate economic activities socially and bring about development in these areas. The Bureau is satisfied that all the elements leading to this award is sufficient to issue a certificate of no objection. Therefore, in consideration of all the relevant documents submitted by the Ministry of Works, and in the areas we presided over for the construction of Trans Kalabari roads and bridges, the Bureau has issued the certificate of no objection to be awarded to Lubrik Construction Company Limited.